Yeah, for our people that are not here, Haley, Aubrey. I did give us half the answers yesterday on this. Alright, so on number 13, and we need to have out markers, so I don't want to see pencils in anybody's hands. If I see a pencil, you're going to lose points from your team for today. Does everybody understand? And some of us need all these extra points that we're getting by doing our stuff right, because some of us are not doing so hot in the class. Some of us are doing awesome because we did really well on our tests. It's an I know now. Yeah. Alright, so on number 13. Alright, you got to get it together. I can't talk over you. On number 9, you had to subtract from 90. That means that this is 27 degrees. How many of us got that one right? Should we have a pencil in our hand right now? What should we have in our hand? A marker. That's fine. Alright, so if we got that right, put a check mark beside it. Come on, baby. I'm going to have to put you in the very front of the class. Like, I don't know what's happening. Yes, you're going to have to be too. Because you talk and you don't pay attention. That's why. Number 13. They are supplementary. That means we subtract from 180. So the measure of angle 2 is 59 degrees. How many of us got that right? Hey, that's so exciting. Good job, guys. Super proud. All right. Number 15 was where we ended on this page. So you should have divided by 15, and x equals what?
80.
Okay, I'm just going to get my calculator out because y'all scare me and I don't know what's happening. Okay, and then are we done? It's every day. It's every day y'all's table. So stop. I do not need you to talk back to me, and I'll watch you talk. So either stop talking or y'all going to have to sit in the hall. Alright, so we take this 12, we plug it in up here. What's 4 times 12? 4 times 12 is 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. This angle is 54 degrees. To get it right, you have to have everything. You could also plug in 12 over here, or you could just subtract from 180 since it makes a straight line. What's 180 minus 54? Did anybody get that one right? Hey, that's exciting. At least one person at every table. If we did not get it right, what should we be doing? Why are you making that face? Face like I'm murdering you. Oh, okay. Alright, number 16.
I like that.
Number 16, we would need to add them together. And set it equal to what?
180.
Alright, and that gives us 19x minus 10 equals 180. We would add 10 to both sides. We would divide and get 10. Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes.
Okay, then what do we do with that 10? We plug it back in up here. So what's 10 times 10?
100.
What's 100 plus 1? Alright, what's 180 minus 101? Alright, to get your check mark for that one, you got to get all three things.
I did.
Did you really?
Yeah.
What? Oh my gosh. Did you help him with this? What are you popping your lips at? I don't trust you. I know you. This is 2 years. Alright.
2 years.
Oh my gosh. So on the back, we had all of this already, right? And you just had to do number 24. So what are angles 7 and 8? Linear. That's how we say it, linear, y'all. Not linear or coliner. Nothing like that. Linear. All right, number 25. We had to finish it from here. So you had to do 16x plus 9x, and that gave you?
25. No. Wait, yes. 25.
All right. Ravenclaw, can we get it together? Can we get it together? Y'all talking while I'm talking, and I'm watching you do it, so don't act all shocked. Then you subtract 5, and you get 25x equals 175. And how many quarters are in $1.75? Oh my gosh, we should be able to know that. Okay, so we found x. How do we find y?
We plug it in.
Plug in 7 where?
Into the y.
Into x, because it says x equals, right? So you can plug it into 2 places, correct? You could plug it in here, or you could plug it in here. Now, I'm going to plug it in here. Why did I set those equal to each other? What kind of angles are they? So that means that they are congruent. So I set them equal because they're congruent. If I plugged it in here, what would I have to do with those 2 angles? I would have to add them together and then set it equal to 180, right? Or subtract it from 180 and then divide. Okay, so what is 9 times 7? 63. And what's 63 plus 5? 68. And what's 4 divided by 60? 68 divided by 4?
68 divided by 4 is 17. 38.
Did anybody get that one right? One person in the whole class. Take a point for your team, baby. What happened? You plugged in 7 into 4y? Okay, do you see why we can't do that? Okay, what else happened? You got confused? You messed up on what, Riley? On the y part?
The lightning got me.
The lightning got you? Were you out in the rain? Y'all are ridiculous. Okay, calibrate. Can't ask y'all simple questions. Good Lord. Alright, so are we going to set 10x plus 7 equal to 18y plus 25?
Yes.
No, because that's an x and a y. We can't do that, right? So are we going to add these 2 together and set it equal to? Set it equal to yes? Alright, so 9x plus 2 plus 10x plus 7 equals 180. Why did I set it equal to 180? It's just a straight line supplementary. We're getting there. It's a straight line. Alright, what's 9x plus 10x?
19x.
2 plus 7.
9x. No, 9. Not that. 9.
Okay, we should have more than one person able to tell me what 2 plus 7 is.
Okay, 9.
Okay, now what do I do? And then divide by 19 and x equals? Hey, Colby, will you put it in the tray for me, please? Thank you so much.
You turned this stuff in an 8th period, right?
Yeah. Because we're in 8th period, 7th period, whatever period we are, baby. I just don't know anymore. 7th. Thank you. I'm glad you didn't. Have a good weekend. Okay, it's recording everything y'all are saying. You know that, right?
You didn't figure on there.
It's still recording, regardless of if that's on. I hit the record button. Okay, so now that we know what x is, can we plug it in right here to get y? Yes. Yes, that's what we do, y'all. Because these are what kind of angles? And vertical angles are equal to each other. Take a point. Yo. Can't hear you. No. Because we're missing like 5 numbers. Yeah, I didn't make this. You did it wrong again? Okay, well, can you do it right on the test Wednesday? Okay. All right, what is 10 times 9?
90.
And what's 90 plus 7? Okay, so we would subtract 25 from both sides, and 18y equals what? 72? And then we divide by 18, and what does y equal? Did anybody besides Brianna get that right? Sebastian, take a point. Did you get it right? Oh, okay. Mazzaro. Okay, what mistakes did we make? Did we plug it back in here incorrectly? Yes, Riley.
I just plugged it straight into y. I didn't do the 10x plus 2. But then again,
Okay, so why can we not plug 9 into here?
because it's not y.
Because it's not y. Alright, let's look at 28. Those are complementary, correct? And what does complementary mean? Complementary means 90, so x plus x minus 30 equals 90. Alright, what's x plus x? Alright, what do I do from here? Wow, guys, let's have more than one person say that. What do I do from here? Take a point, children. Zara, I need you to get it together. But you're so violent about it. And I need you to not be. Okay, so if 2x equals 120, what does x equal? 60. And what do I do with that 60? I plug it in. Alright, and what's 60 minus 30? Now, let's check our work. It says that they're complementary, so that means we need to be able to add these together to get 90. What's 60 plus 30? 90. We did it right. Wow. Okay. Alright, how many of us got it right? Yay!
Take a point.
I will gladly take a point. Thank you so much. I needed that point. Alright, now for number this one. Thank you. I don't know what happened. We do 5x plus 4 plus 7x minus 10, and we set it equal to
90.
Good, because I almost wrote 180. That's why my 9 looks like that. So real sorry. Now, why is it 90 degrees? Because it's complementary. Take a point. Yes. Alright, what's 5x plus 7x? What is, ooh, remix. What is 4 minus 10? Okay, what do I do from here? So 12x equals 96, and what do I do now? And x equals?
8.
Okay, now, am I done?
No.
I have to take that 8 and plug it in up here, correct?
Yes.
Alright, what's 5 times 8?
40.
And what's 40 plus 4?
44.
Okay, so if I get 44 for that angle, what should I get for angle B?
46.
Add it together and you have to get 90. You could also do 7 times 8, which is 56. 56 minus 10 is 46. I did it right. How many of us got it right? Take that point for your team if you got it right. All right, 32. Now on this one, the angles are? Yes. So we're going to do x plus 3x, and we're going to set it equal to?
180.
And what's x plus 3x?
4x.
Why'd she stop writing?
4. 4. No, 5.
Anyways, let's not murder people with A.
What does x equal?
45.
Okay, so that means that angle A is what degree? And what's angle B?
135.
And you would know that by either multiplying 3 times 45 or subtracting from 180. Did anybody get that one right?
Yep.
Hey, take a point for your team. Good job. Okay, last one. 7x minus 3 plus x minus 1 equals 180. What's 7x plus x? What is negative 3 minus 1?
Minus 4.
And then we add 4. What? Oh, Blair, add 4. And what's 1? Oh my gosh. What is this divided by this? Thank you. I just don't know.
Kind of looks like 5.
Okay, and now I'll plug 23 in up here. Now let's plug it into the easy one. What's 23 minus 1?
22.
And so what does the other angle have to be?
158.
158. Did anybody get that one right? Take a point for your team. Now, how did we do overall? Count up your check marks and give yourself points for the ones we did yesterday. Count up your check marks and it should be out of 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's out of 30. So count up your check marks. Let me see how This is your last one. You really want to use it? We can't go any more than 9 weeks. No, you can't.
I can if I walk out.
Okay, walk out and see what happens.
Everyone plays too much.
Count up your check marks. It's out of 30. And the ones we did yesterday are free check marks. Yes.